You're looking at me because you can read my mind, huh? You know what I'm thinking. Is that why you're staring me down? With demon eyes? You look creepy. So, what do you think? Yeah? Do you want to go for a walk? Mojo, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Who wants to go for a walk? Who wants to go for a walk? Should we go? Should we go? Okay, let's go. Let's go get your leash.